Alright, let's be real. Everyone wants Discord Nitro. But almost no one wants to pay that monthly subscription fee just for some custom emojis and a banner. Well, today I've got you covered. There is a 100% legit official way to get Nitro for free right now. And it's not some shady link or a Discord code generator type thing that's going to get your account banned. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim it and a hidden trick to double the reward by also getting a free Xbox Game Pass subscription as well.
There's no way. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
So here's the deal. Gear Booster is having a massive official collab with Discord, and they're basically giving out free Nitro. And the best part is that you don't even need a Gear Up subscription. The only thing that you need to do is simply download Gear Up and link it to your Discord account. That is the only thing that you need to do, and then you will receive a free month of Discord Nitro. All you need to do is head into your browser, open up the Gear Booster website, and on the homepage of the website, you're going to see the Discord collab banner. All you need to do is click anywhere on this banner, and then it's going to open up this page. Simply click on this button, and this is going to download the Gear Up installation file. Simply double click on this, click on yes, and wait for the installation to complete. Once Gear Up is installed, you need to once again click on the Discord X Gear Up banner and then simply press redeem on Discord. Now all you need to do is log into your Discord account and claim your free Nitro subscription. Once you claim your free Discord Nitro, this is how you can get a free month of Xbox Game Pass as well. Simply open up Discord and make sure that you're logged in on the account that you claimed Nitro on. Now simply click on Nitro Home, and then under the Nitro rewards, you're gonna find your free Xbox Game Pass. Now simply click on claim for free, and this is going to open up the Xbox Game Pass page on your browser. Now here, what you need to do is sign into your Xbox account. Once you log into your Xbox account, you need to simply click on activate now. And boom, with that, I've got a free Discord Nitro subscription and a free month of Xbox Game Pass. All of this just by simply downloading the Gear Up app. So with that, this is going to be the end of the video. If it helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. That is all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.